Unit 4 presentation. So we have to answer this question. Mr. T is playing chess against online opponents. He plays 5 games. If Mr. T has a 55% chance of winning a given game, calculate the probability that Mr. Thayer A wins all 5 games, B does not win all 5 games, and C wins his first 2 games and loses the next 3 games. So this is the formula that we're going to use to find that. Whereas n is the number of games, which equals 5. P is the probability of winning a single game, which equals 55%. And K, which equals the number of wins. So let's start with A. So the probability of winning all 5 games. So using the formula, what we're going to do, we're going to do P x equals 5, which equals 0.55 to the power 5, which when we plug that in, it equals 0.055. So the probability of winning all 5 games is 0.055%. Now moving on to probability of not winning all 5 games. All right, so what we're going to do, we're going to put in the formula, which is P x equals 5, which equals 1 minus P x equals 5. All right, and then once we plug in all that information, we're basically doing 1 minus 0.055, which equals 0.945. Now moving on to C, the probability of winning the first 2 games and losing the next 3. All right, so what we'll do, since the probability of winning is like 55% and losing is you're subtracting 1 from that 55%, which equals 45, we will basically calculate based on the first 2 games and losing the next 3. So what we'll do 0.55 power 2 times 0.45 to the power of 3, which equals 0.3025 times 0.091125. And when you multiply that together, it equals 0.0276. All right, so that is the probability of winning the first 2 games and losing the next 3. All right.